in a beautiful, ooh, lovely, cool folks. It's so cute. Everybody is. Menus are here. Love it. I love it, folks. Absolutely love it. Wow. Look at the lampshade. This is absolutely fabulous, folks. And this is bread. Nice. The bread. Cool, look at that. Here's folks. Ooh. Lovely. That's lovely. Apple juice. It's called Brava. It's almost like beer. Oh, the Brava. It's almost like beer, right? Ooh. It's a non-alcoholic beer. It's a... Ooh. It's like a rye bread. It's like beer, but it's like a non-alcoholic beer. Oh, I see. That's a good one. Go. Been delivered by a medieval gentleman. Got barley, got the rabbit, got the garlic, got the dals, got the mushrooms, rosemary, mint. Ooh. Fresh herbs. Beautiful. A real medieval feast. Beautiful smell of the food. Rabbit stew with prunes and cedar nuts. Medieval feast. Eat before it gets cold. Oh yeah. Oh, lovely. Garlic. Pistachio ice cream served on ice. This delicious Sicilian dessert goes back to the Middle Ages, the 16th century. It was served exclusively at the houses of the rich aristocrats. For those who are in love. It was then made with milk, fresh milk, and egg, and pistachio delivered from the Middle Asia, especially for this occasion. Wow. Let's have a look at this. Cranberries. Ooh. There we go, folks. Before it melts, let's put this in the mouth. Ooh.